everyone, and welcome to this deep dive. We're going to be looking at M3T Corporation today.
Cool.
Yeah, they specialize in physical security solutions. So we're going to be kind of like detectives here, looking at their website, piecing together like who they are and what they do and what they offer.
Sounds good.
And they work with some really interesting sectors.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, healthcare, education, even government.
Wow.
What?
That's pretty intense.
Yeah, and especially these days, it seems like everyone's really focused on, boofing up their security. And, I know you were telling me you were a little concerned about security at your new office building.
Yeah.
So this will be really interesting.
I'm really curious to see what we find out about this company.
Yeah, me too. So let's just jump right in and start with their website. The first thing I noticed was their mission statement,
Okay.
securing what matters most.
Hmm.
What do you think about that?
I mean, it's a pretty bold statement, right? It really makes you think about what's important to you and how a company's promising to protect that.
Yeah, and especially when you think about the types of clients they work with, hospitals, schools, government buildings.
Exactly. I mean, those are places where security is absolutely paramount.
Yeah, so it's a lot more than just, putting up a few cameras.
Right.